Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing my go-to no makeup look. So even though I won't be wearing foundation, I still like to start off with a primer for this look. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime my face, and then I'm going to go in and fill in my eyebrows with the Colourpop Cosmetics Brow Gloss. I want my eyebrows to have that really crisp look, so I'm just going to take some of this NYX HD concealer and I'm going to carve out the brow. Next, I'm taking that same concealer and I'm just going to add some under my eyes and then blend it out a little bit. Then I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and then I'm going to highlight with that all over my face. Under eyes, down the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and in between my eyebrows. And this is the look that I go to when I want to look really put together. I want my skin to look good, but I don't want that cakey foundation look. I just want the skin to be looking really perfected and really natural and glowy. So yes, it might look like a lot of steps and a lot of makeup, but it's just not that full face of foundation. Then I'm just going to set that with my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and then I'm going to go in with Nars Laguna and bronze up my face. And I'm not contouring here, I'm just using the bronzer just to add some color and definition to my face. Next, I'm just taking this blush by NYX and adding some to my cheeks. I really love this blush, so I'm adding it also to other points of my face, just to add a little bit of color. So for the finishing touches for the skin, I like to go in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter, and my palette fell so many times that it's completely broken, but I'm still making it work. So I'm just going to highlight the high points of my face. I feel like highlighting my face is what really brings the whole look together and really makes the skin look really nice and glowy. And I feel like if I have a good highlighter, I honestly don't even need a foundation. So next, of course, I'm going in with my mascara When doing a no makeup look, I like to really take my time with my mascara and make sure that I'm getting each and every lash coated. So here you can really see the difference between the eye that's done and the eye that's not. The mascara just really opens up the eye and gives it a nice finished look. So next I just want to make sure that everything is super blended. So I just go with a clean stippling brush and blend everything out on my face. So since I'm keeping this look really natural and not going in with any eyeshadow, I'm just going to go in with this nude eyeliner and line my waterline. This makes your eyes look really awake. So for the lips, I want to keep it really natural, so I'm just going to go in with my Tauny lip liner, and I'm just going to line my lips so that when I put my NYX Butter gloss, it stays in place. And down below in the description bar, I will list all of the exact product info for everything that I used in this video. So last but definitely not least, I'm just going to spray my face with my Badescu Rosewater. And of course, to finish this look, I have to do my go-to everyday curls with my wand and then just comb it all out with my fingers. And my beauties, that is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like if you like what you see, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.